husband, and we've always had a good laugh. Like, we've got a lot of like that was fun. Hearing this,
that's
you
the wrong way, buddy.
4518666, and you just yell something your parents once yelled at you.
In 500 meters.
And Edmonton's best rock, 100.3, The Bear.
Sale of the year. Get up to $10,000 credit card cash. Step inside our money tunnel and keep as much cash as you can grab. Pan for gold and putt for prizes on our putting green.
At City Ford's St. Patrick's Day event, get 0% interest on 2020 SUVs. Save up to $13,000 on a 2020 Explorer at 0%.
By that, just a hope, right?
Yeah, of course. I mean, we don't obviously have any exact examples of anything that, who knows?
Yeah.
The way this thing has been going the last week, it's ridiculous. To load your offers and get 20 times the points this Friday to Sunday at Shoppers Drug Mart. Restrictions apply. See digital coupon for details.
Edmonton, Coheed, no offense,
right?
As far as musicianship,
yes.
That was your WTF track for tonight. So next hour, we've got 13,300 by We Mean Pam Kirby at 7 o'clock for Secret Sound.
The Royal Week.
Who did you come from?
Yeah, us.
I had a green light.
We got a couple more calls that we'd like.
Kilometers. You'll arrive.
Yeah, let's just back down the middle of a major road. Why not?
In public.
What do you find hard about relationships?
Being honest about when I'm hurt.
Can I have a loan?
Whew, yes. If you own your home, you're approved.
Nobody yields there like they're supposed to. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to make this turn now. Yep, that's a dual turn fail.
Turn left, then turn right. You've arrived at your destination.
You paying attention? No, you're not. You're looking down, down to the right.
Turn right on 105
Jesus
Street
Christ.
Northwest.
That scared the shit out of me. Are you paying attention? That's like the second time that's happened today.
Turn left.
I'm not even annoyed. It's honestly funny at this point.
Why are you stopping?
Go! I'm waiting for you. Oh, you're not signaling. Thanks for wasting my time, pal.
Had to be on call because we work at a refinery, and he decided that because he was in Greece, he couldn't be on call, and he put me on call while I was on vacation. Kinda. I'm a geologist, so I'll agree.
Just make her feel better.
Yeah, totally.
Dinosaurs.
Call Marika and Brayden. 489-46.
Girls wanna get it. You're so shifty.
Turn left, then turn right. You've arrived at your destination.
What the actual fuck?
Easier than the mannequins.
Man,
You guys have a great day.
you too. Hey man, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
The Toby and Warren Show with Warren and Toby.
Why were you just standing there?
Rock 100.3. The
Turn right on White 82 Avenue Northwest.
What are you doing, man? Use the sidewalk. I don't know why
Turn
people
right on
insist
102
on walking down the
Northwest.
middle of the damn road, but screw sidewalks.
Keep it moving, yeah, flow. Step into some new kicks. In there, swimwear, going to the pool quick. Come now, come dry your eyes. You know you a star, you can touch the sky. I know that it's
boy, that's not a crosswalk.
GreenlandGarden.com.
Catherine and Peter were moving in together, but she was in Ottawa, he was in Montreal, and their new home was in Vancouver. They were worried about getting everything there.